Okay, so magandang araw mga kuya. So just to give you a short background on myself, so I'm Jitim Kalyanga, service engineer bago ako pumasok ng freelancing. So I was in a customer service support on a prestigious company handling various products. So yun, and decided to career shift from a corporate job into freelancing world. So, yun yung time na nakita ko yung ads. Actually, before ko nakita yung ads, yung technical course ni Quiz RJ. So, I've been eyeing uh, to pursue freelancing world na before a few years back. So, yun yung being Amazon VA. Pero hindi ko siya pinursue since medyo may kamahalan yung course. Though binigyan naman ako ng access nung ka-work ko kasi siya before kumbaga nag nag-attempt siya. So kumuha siya ng course. So hindi ko na i-disclose kung how much pero yun. Okay, so and then I've run into an ad sa Facebook actually. Yun nga. Yung technical VA course ni Quiz RJ. Okay, so the technical VA course by Quiz RJ has been pivotal of my growth as a technical virtual assistant specializing in automation. So the course not only offers in-depth hands-on training in automation tools and strategies that I now use in my daily tasks. So Quiz RJ's clear explanation and practical approach made complex topics easy to grasp. And I was able to immediately apply what I learned to streamline business process and improve client workflows. So aside from this, Quiz RJ also provide a unique support system through daily Zoom meetings. So take note, itong daily Zoom meetings ni Quiz RJ hindi lang available para sa mga kumuha ng course niya. So available to dun sa group niya, binubuo niya, yun nga yung community niya. Mapa nag-avail ka man o hindi ng course niya. So 'di ba? Sobrang ah, full support talaga si Quiz RJ. So and yung ganitong community sobrang rare. Lalo na is dito lang ako nakakita ng ganong community na sobrang hands-on sila with respect dun sa mga kapwa nila technical VA or dun sa mga niche na gustong pumasok. Okay. So, yun. Coach RJ and his community are always available to help resolve any challenges, ensuring that you're never stuck on the problem. So, the personalized attention and collaborative atmosphere have been invaluable in accelerating my learning and applying solutions to real world client projects. Okay, so thanks to this course, I feel confident in offering specialized automation services and have been tangible improvements in my clients' businesses. I highly recommend this course to anyone looking to excel in the world of automation and virtual assistance. So, yun lamang po para sa akin. So, thank you, Quiz RJ.